Hi folks, and welcome to the DS Cars video channel. Here today we have October 2021 Skoda Enyaq. This is the lounge model, full EV car. At the front here, we loads of options in this car too. There's over £8,000 worth of factory options in this car. We've got the adaptive headlights, full LED headlights, auto dip, auto main beam, daytime driving lights all built in there as well. Finished in the metallic moon white, 20-inch alloys, also LED fold-in mirrors as well. We also then have the glass roof, front half opens, privacy glass in the rear, keyless entry. This is the single motor rear wheel drive. It's 80 kilowatt battery, gives you about 250 miles on a full charge. Rear view camera, reversing camera, parking sensors front and rear. Lovely big car. We've got also head-up display. I'll show you it here while we're on the outside. So the head-up display on this car also. Cameras up there, and it's also got a dash cam, a Wi-Fi dash cam as well. So keyless entry, as I said, so you only need the keys on you. Front and rear electric windows, electric folding mirrors, heated mirrors. Enyaq sill trims there as well. Electrically adjustable with memory driver's seat. This being the lounge model. We've got the Alcantara inserts along with the leather outserts, and then with the yellow piping. Certainly lovely interior, and again on the dash as well. Lovely finish. Semi-flat leather bound steering wheel. So then the inside, sit in the seat, foot in the brake, and that's the car started. So we've got wireless Android, wireless CarPlay. Everything's controlled through this screen. So we've got Android Auto there. You've built-in sat-nav, but if you have the everybody use it through their phones. Everything's done you through here. So adaptive cruise control. We've got lane departure. We've got travel assist. We'll show you all the options. So we've got the digital certificate for this car as well. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated windscreen. We've got the different modes. Rear camera. Climate. So heated steering wheel, heated windscreen, it's all there. Or if you don't know, you can actually, all this is voice activated as well. Do it all for you. But warm today, so it brings the fans up. But anyway, so buttons down here. So this will allow you to you customize these settings as well. All the buttons: mode, normal, sport mode, eco mode, park assist, central lock and hazards, climate control. These are your shortcut keys to, or you can go in through the menus. We've got ambient lighting all the way around in the doors. This is multicolored as well. Sunroof controls up here, for the one for the blind, one for the open the sunroof, and like I say, we've also got a hardwired Wi-Fi dash cam as well, all built in. Your gear selector, forwards, backwards, electric handbrake, cup holders there that can lift out, card holder there. Then we start into the intelligent vehicle bit. So we've got the dimples in the bottom of the Skoda so that you can put in a bottle, a plastic bottle, and turn the cap one-handed. So that's part of the intelligent vehicle setup. We'll cover more of them, and we've also got wireless charging pads in here, USB-C ports in there. Steering wheel controls here on this side. This is your you push to speak for your voice commands, heated steering wheel, and your radio control functions. Volume up and down. This on this side also then controls your cruise, or sorry, your adaptive cruise and your travel assist. Down there is your actual cruise control. Floppy paddles adjust down and up for your regen effort. So this car has just covered 29,000 miles. $29,022. Just over 29,000 miles. These are all your settings. You can adjust all that. Your head-up display, you're not going to be able to see that in a day like that, but it'll come up just there in your windscreen. As I say there, you have about 250-260 mile range in this car. Down here is your manual override for the headlights, visibility, fog lights front and rear, so you can override them. You also then have a manual start button if you so wish. Like I say, whenever you sit on it and foot the brake, that's with the key on you, that's all you need to start it. That's your electric boot opener, tons of room and water bottles etc in there. And we've got the parking label clip there on the windscreen, and then we've got the umbrellas and the doors. In there, electric windows in the rear, storage pockets in the rear of the seats, and also mobile phone. Just slot your phone in there. We've got heating controls in the rear as well, heated seats in the rear. Center armrest, ISOFIX on the outer points. More cup holders there, LED lighting throughout, and again you've got the lighting in the doors as well, ambient lighting. Type 2 charge and rapid charge there as well. Electric boot, great size boot in these. We've got the storage areas each side, the blind, shopping bag hooks, warning triangle there. Also has the boot liner in it, as you can see. And then in below here we've got, there's your Type 2 charger, your Type 2 charge cable, power boot, as I said there. Alright, let's not forget the ice scraper. Ice scraper's there in the boot. You'll see that on many a Skoda you've got IV, and that means intelligent vehicle. This is the likes of the umbrellas, the hook for your parking ticket, the dimples in for the bottles, to open them, and the cup holders, the ice scraper, etc. You've also very handy storage under the centre console. Because it's an EV, full EV, you've got the flat floor, so tons of room for storage. Isofix on the front seat as well, and airbag turn off in case you're using it. But lovely feel to the dash. Great finish in this. Say this is the lounge model.